the 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. Powered by a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features towing package, parking sensors, and tilt wheel. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include navigation system, quad seating, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.